wide variety of subsidiary events and symposia like special educating programs of water management, climate change workshops, city revitalization plan, and citizen participation will be held for the exchange of new trends in technology and information aiming to create export opportunities in the environmental industry. There are 3 different themes in this year's fair: environmental industry, policy, and experience that all walks of life can participate in. The event billed itself as not only a trade show but also the venue to discuss environmental-related knowledge and make new plans for the future. Experts in water management were invited to present lectures on urban water management program, circulating water treatment system, environment technology and industry trend for climate change, and many more. An official at the Metropolitan City of Gwangju said this year's show will greatly contribute to creating jobs, finding new sales channels, and increasing export. We have prepared greatly for this. We will try to develop the climate and environmental industry with our show today. 종민 Kim, GFN News.
According to data released by the Presidential Committee on National Balanced Development, South Jeolla Province is the least developed region in the country, while Gwangju ranked 7th among 17 metropolitan cities and the provinces. The data shows that the financial self-reliance rate in South Jeolla Province stayed at 30.8%, while the population fluctuation rate stood at -1.5%. Meanwhile, Gwangju's average index was ranked in the middle with 53.6% in fiscal self-reliance rate and 1.8% in population. The Balanced Development Index is a comparison of the level of development between regions based on the average annual population growth rate over 4 decades from 1975 to 2015 and the average fiscal self-reliance level over 3 years from 2015 to 2017. Hyungjun Ro, GFN News.